We'd like to pose a question. A question asking why are we not using the hemp seed more effectively? An ingenious George Washington once declared, "Make the most of the Indian hemp seed and sow it everywhere." It seems these words are finally beginning to ring in the ears of the California government some 250 years later. On Friday, September 27th, Governor Jerry Brown signed a bill that would legalize the cultivation of hemp for industrial use. All California needs to start its own bumper crop is the green flag from the feds. But there's a catch. Goody-goodies, who are surprise, ignorant, are vehemently opposing such a bill due solely to the hemp plant's relation to marijuana. What they don't realize is that hemp has massive economic and environmental benefits, and they needn't get their bloomers in a bunch just because it happens to belong to the cannabis family. First off, let's lay this dusty myth to rest. As much as a radical hemp opposer would love to get into a supporter's face and rant endlessly that hemp feeds stoners, whose only goal is to be toasted 24/7, this just isn't true. The high-inducing chemical in marijuana, known as THC, does exist in hemp, but its concentration is only 1 to 2 parts per million. One simply can't get high off of hemp. So now that this wives' tale has finally been put down, let's talk about the impact it would have on the economy. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 acre of hemp can produce 4 times more paper than 1 acre of trees can. Taking into account that trees take 20 to 50 years to mature, whereas hemp takes 4 months, it's safe to say that a lot of time and money would be saved. And the hemp crop is also a money saver. Hemp naturally repels weeds and has very few insect enemies. That means that no herbicides and very small amount of pesticides are needed to keep this green plant healthy and strong. Though hemp and cotton can be used for the same exact purpose, which is cloth and textile production, cotton requires an enormous amount of pesticides. In fact, half of America's pesticides are used on cotton and can make only half the amount of fiber per acre than hemp can. And get this, hemp is good for you. Hemp seed oil is high in protein just like soybean oil. It can be used in the production of foods such as tofu, butter, and cheese. A 1.5 tablespoon serving of hemp seed contains 5 grams of protein, 86 milligrams of magnesium, 10% of your daily iron, and many more omega acids. Grounded or munched, these seeds pack a punch.